The Murata manufacturing pulse signal units are installed on existing sensors, such as flow meters and pressure gauges, to automate data collection. 4 to 20 milliamps, 0 to 5 volts, or pulse output is made wireless, making it easier to collect data. The accumulated data can also be analyzed to determine the cause and the extent of the impact of any problems. Here is an example of how the pulse signal units are used. To monitor the flow rate in the plating tanks, pulse signal units are installed on the flow meters. Since the measured flow rate can be transmitted wirelessly from the meters, the man-hours required for visual confirmation by persons in charge can be reduced. Alert notifications are sent when an abnormal flow rate occurs so that abnormalities can be handled promptly. These are graphs of flow rate measurements and failure rate in the plating process. Before the pulse signal units were installed, there was variation in plating tank flow rates, and many plating defects occurred. The visualization of the conditions of the plating tank flow rates made it easier to take measures against plating defects, lowering the defect rate.
アナログ無線化ユニットはメーカーが違う流量計にも設置できます。簡単に無線化できるので各メッキ層に設置しています。品質管理がしやすくなりました。
The pulse signal units not only reduce the man-hours required to check the measuring equipment installed on site, but because workers can look back through collected data when problems arise, the units also help workers determine the cause of any problems that occur and the extent of their impact.